friends and welcome to the GKGV Brothers channel. Today we are going to be unboxing some Bakugan boxes and some Pokemon.
On my birthday! Today,
It's Gotham's birthday.
I got so many presents.
Yeah, this is just a few of them.
Yeah, we have more. We're going to open in 1 week, then 2 weeks, then 3 weeks, then 4 weeks.
Yeah, but come on, let's get started.
So now I'm going to open the Bakugan Ultras. But my brother opens this, I open this Bakugan Ultra, and these 2 Pokemon cards and 1 booster pack. So let's get to it.
And I am going to get this Bakugan Ultra and these 2 booster packs.
And this is
We're gonna get started.
Opening the Bakugan.
Yep.
Yeah, take. Whoa! We both got Ultra. So now I'm showing you all my Pokemon brother got and me did. This is the Pokemon, not the Pokemon, the Bakugan card, and his name is Howler Ultra.
Yep.
We need to collect all of these cards. And here are 2 cards. Flip them over. They're good cards with the shields on it. Now let's check on this side. We have a Dragon Ultra. And let's look at his cards. -2 and punching fire +5.
We're new at this Bakugan thing, so we don't really know anything.
Yeah.
In the comment section, if you know, please
Tell us.
Yes.
This came with the notes. When
It
we
seems like
first
those are
opened.
the trainers.
Yeah, the trainers of the Bakugan.
Yep.
Yeah, they are the trainers, probably.
And now let's get unboxing with the Pokemon.
Let's go!
So these are the Pokemon packs that we are going to be opening. We have a sword and shield and a comic of clips for me.
The same one.
And he actually has a sword and shield Rebel Clash and Crimson Invasion. And now we're going to start opening them.
I want to say mine.
And now we're going to show you what we got. So these are what we got from all of the booster packs. So here are all of the promo cards that we got. We got a Meltan and a Melmetal.
And the coin. The card.
Lucario coin. Here, from this pack, we got a Golisopod and a Wimpod with that Sceptile coin. Here we got a Delmise with a, I think you can see that, but yeah, that's the Deoxys. And here we got a Galarian Meowth and a Galarian Persiker Lycanroc coin. We got a Yamper right there. We got a Cottony,
Cottony is a weird name.
a Clobopus, that's weird, a Choodle,
Choodle.
Rhyhorn, another Cotton, wow, Inteleon, a Dark Energy, Heatmore, Stunfisk, Galarian Stunfisk, and the Hyper Potion. And we got that with the Melmetal and the Meltan pack. Golisopod and Wimpod, we got the Chichow, the Cosmog, the Pancham, the Drillbur, the Tangela, the Carvana, Kyogre, a legendary Pokemon.
Yes!
The grass type, a Zangoose. I skipped a Pokemon there. A Gloom and a Celio.
This looks like a Bakugan, doesn't it? Backwards.
Kind of.
Yeah.
And that was with the Golisopod and Wimpod. Here from the Delmise and the Deoxys coin, Cacnea, Madrivius, a Shelmet, a Swablu, a Swinub, a Minchino, a Wigglytuff, a Metal Energy, Emolga, Grumpig, and Cinccino. And with the final one, we got Galarian Meowth and the Galarian Persiker pack. Here we got a Reverse Litwick on Pheasant, Water Energy, Electrode, Xatu, Lombre, Meditite, Milcery, I don't know that, a Growlithe, an Impidimp, and a Bunnelby.
Wait, I think I know the Pokemon you didn't know. Milcery.
Yeah, Milcery. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Please subscribe and comment,
share, and like this video. And go to GKGB Brothers to check out more
awesome videos.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.